Welcome back, everybody. Red Book Recipes, episode 3. We're going for a short video today. Right here, we've got a recipe that's going to be later done in the future, known as Jamie's Chicken. And right now it's been slow cooking for about 3 hours because it's Taco Tuesday. The Taco Tuesday would be very incomplete without guacamole. Now, I've posted my guacamole on my story on Instagram quite often. Everybody's seen what it looks like, and today we're just going to take you through making it. Cut. Everybody has ways to make guacamole. This is the way I make it. I learned from Katie. She just told me what to put in it, and then I kind of gone with it. So we're going to show you what I put in it. It's very basic. It doesn't have these sun-dried tomatoes or bacon or anything like that. Just basic guacamole, but it's good and it's great for Taco Tuesday. Let's show you what you need. Here we go. Alrighty, probably should have mentioned we're here at my parents' house. Katie's been working out this entire time. Say hi.
Hi, can't wait to try it.
Yes, so I'll show you what this looks like. So what I like to do is after I've mixed it, I'll take some type of a rubber spatula and just kind of like mend it down a little bit, compound it a little bit into a little mold like this, and then we're going to take this and put it right in the fridge because it's got to sit for a little bit before it's all nice and settled, you know. I usually try to take a trip and try it. I'm not going to right now. We're just gonna,
Tastes good though. I only make cameos for the most important part, which is the tasting. Yep.
That's all it is right there. There's your guac. It's gonna taste good, I know that. There you go. Easy guacamole recipe. I'm not gonna do exact measurements. Obviously I eyeballed everything because that, you know, it's my masterpiece. It's what I made. If you want to make it, do it. Tag us, post it, and you'll tweak it as you go along. But, you know, thanks for joining in. We're going to eat this with some tacos tonight. Happy guac, you know. Good deal. All right. Peace out.